when you work in private practice, a firm like ours, right? A client comes, they want you. They've come, they've hired you, they want you to be the person who's in court with them, you to be the person who's on the phone making every argument, right? So if the senior or the partner is always doing that, it's hard as the associate to get the opportunity to be in a courtroom and handle the bulk of the work, right? But at legal aid, you're out of the frying pan into the fire. I mean, you do your couple of weeks of training, and I very distinctly remember finishing training and saying, okay, I understand the law, absolutely, I understand the purpose, but from a practical perspective, after I stand up and say, the Legal Aid Society Juvenile Division by Nina S. Gross, how do I tell the judge what I want them to do? Do I just say, what do? It's sort of an intimidating experience initially. And so what happens there is that you're in court constantly and you learn very quickly, because if you can't figure out a way to manage your day and get the court officers to agree to not call your case because you have to be somewhere else, whether it's because you have to learn how to get a judge to listen to you, trust you, you have to articulate quickly and efficiently what needs to be articulated. And you also, judges are people. They have their own issues, biases, whatever. You have to figure out how best, knowing that person's personality, how to get your case across, right? So I learned a tremendous amount about how to conduct myself in those situations. And I think you also sort of develop a very thick skin, which I think is important.